Hello everyone, I am Mrs. Raginee Somthankar, the Director of English Learning Academy and Study Abroad Consultancy. Welcome to my podcast channel Speak English with ELA. In today's audio, I am going to share with you the importance of grammar in English language. If you want to learn any kind of language, the grammar is not required. That is absolutely correct sentence when you are learning in other languages. But as far as the English language is concerned, this is absolutely incorrect sentence. Many YouTube channel videos in many classes or many books writers are telling you if you want to get command over the English language, don't require to learn the grammar part. This is absolutely incorrect sentence. And why it is absolutely incorrect sentence? Because English is the official language. English is the link up language. It is the international language, and that's why you not just only to get the command over the speaking part, but you should have to get command over the writing also, listening also, and reading skills also. You should have the good command over the complete language, and that's why you should learn the grammar part. Making use of correct grammar is essential when you speak or write to avoid the confusions. It also helps other people to understand you easily. The correct sentence formation makes easier to understand whatever you want to express, whatever you want to share the things. If you are making so many mistakes in your sentence formations, then people cannot able to understand that what exactly you want to say. And even the people who know about the language, they can easily understand that what type of mistakes you are doing. The flow of communication would slow down if your English is full of mistakes, and without proper grammar it would be harder to express your ideas and thoughts effectively and clearly also. So that's why you should have to learn the grammar part. Now, what are the grammar parts are required to get the good command over the language? So first thing is that parts of speech. You can go through the parts of speech. There are 9 numbers of parts of speech. Then there are subtypes. You just have to look after. After that, you can just go through with the articles. You should know all the rules and regulations, that what are the types of articles and what are the rules to use a and the. Then also you can go with the tenses, present tense, past tense, and future tense. You should know properly, and you can able to construct the sentence according to the tenses also. See, I have seen so many times that people have a good command over the language. They can speak fluently in English language, but whenever they are writing, at that time they are making so many mistakes, because they just have the overconfidence that they are known about the language. But in a correct manner, they don't understand that how to write any sentence with the rules and regulations. They cannot able to follow all the grammar rules and regulations in their writings, and that's why they are making so many mistakes whenever they are speaking and whenever they are writing. So to avoid such kind of mistakes, you should have to look after the all grammar part. Then whenever you are making the sentences, at that time, if you are using the modal auxiliaries, phrasal verbs, correct preposition, correct conjunctions, then you can make your language more impressive. Your language will be figurative if you can able to use these type of grammar parts in your sentences. So that's why you should have to use all the grammar parts, and you should have to go through with all the grammar parts to get the command over the complete language. You cannot able to just impress by speaking skills, but you can able to impress the people by using the grammar, the writing skills also, with using the proper grammar. So grammar, we can say that grammar is the heart of the language, and how much you are getting command over the grammar part, that much you can able to understand the language. You can just go through various types of books also, just form the sentences, write down the examples of the tenses of the articles, just do the practice. And every day you just have to write down some essays, some point of views, or you can write down the daily diary also. It will be helpful for you to improve, to develop your English language. You can see that many business people, many successful people, if you read their autobiography, they are every day they are writing the daily diary. It will helpful for them to develop themselves and to focus, to target their goals also, to set their goals also. So this is one of the important habit that you can implement every day, and you can do the writing practice every day also. So as I have told you earlier, that you just have to do every day loud reading, listening, and from today itself you have to do writing also. Just take the topic and write down 10 to 15 sentences. Form it, check it by yourself only. Don't copy from any other resources. You just have to construct the sentence by yourself only. Day by day, gradually you will develop, you will be improved. You are going to evaluate yourself in a proper manner, and you will get the result ultimately. So stay tuned. From the next audios, I'm going to share with you another techniques, that how to develop your speaking part. We have seen about the reading skills, writing skills, and listening skills. Now from the next audios, I'm going to share with you all the speaking skills, that how you can develop your speaking. So stay tuned, and goodbye for the next audio.